Hello everyone, so today I'm finally going to be filming a new room tour video, and as some of you may know, or most of you may know, I did move. I moved here back in November last year, and I did say in my previous or my old room tour video that I would do a tour of my new room once I was settled in. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video and let's get started. Okay, so first of all, here is my door, and I just have these two Harry Potter posters up that I got for my birthday recently. And then behind the door I just have all of this foam, as you can see. So I have this memory foam which I got from Amazon, I think, and then this one which I got from the range. So that's why my door wouldn't open completely, it's because these are blocking it, but I had nowhere else to put these, so yeah. And then behind my door I just have all of these random things up. I just have two dressing gowns and then just a few bags and a few other random things. And then over here, this is what the previous owners left on the wall, because before a family used to live here, before we moved in, and this used to be their little boy's room, and this is just where they would mark his height as he was growing up. And I'm just not sure whether I should remove it or not, because it is kind of like a memory, I guess, and also I don't want it to take off any of the paint from the wall. But I might try and remove it eventually. I'm not sure yet. And then over here is my art area, or my craft area, whatever you want to call it. And you've seen this a lot in my squishy tutorials. This is where I paint and make my squishies. And as you can see, I have quite a lot of paintbrushes. I just, for some reason, love collecting loads of paintbrushes. I also have some more over here as well. And I just have an easel over here, and also some of my paintings down here, most of which I did in college. And I'm not going to spend too much time on this area because I'm thinking of doing a separate video where I show my craft area in more detail. Oh, and down here I just have a random whiteboard just saying empty the bins on Tuesdays, because I usually forget. My phone's just there. And then over here you've also seen this area in some of my squishy tutorials, and I actually cleaned up this area recently because it was really messy. So this is kind of like part of my craft area as well. And I just put all these cute little panda stickers up. Some have fallen, some have like fallen off the shelf, but still. So there's just loads of random stuff here, like pencil cases, stationery, glue, notebooks, and just loads of other stuff. Now I have these two holders here just holding some more random things. Have my calendar, and then just a picture of a unicorn. Sorry, that was my phone if you heard that. Then I have this dragon skeleton which I really like. and some jewellery boxes here. And another jewellery box, and then just a little set of drawers. Then down here I just have some more foam / sponges and just some more craft stuff and slime making stuff. And then over here I just have these shelves up on the wall, and these were also left by the previous owners. I actually asked them if they could leave these up on the wall because I wanted to display some things. And again, it's just loads of random stuff. Not going to go over every single one because that'll make this video way too long. And oh, I just wanted to show you this little jellyfish here that I got. I think it was from this antique place, and they were making loads of these really cute little jellyfish in different colours. And I just really had to get one because it was so cute. And then down here I just have some more things on display. Couple of Harry Potter ones and also some pop figures. And this is my second desk that has my laptop and also my printer. And this laptop and printer are quite new because I just really had to get new ones. And a couple more pots here with just some pens and stationery in them. And also have this drawer here, but it's really messy inside, so I won't show you. It's basically just more stationery. Because I really do love to collect stationery. And I usually have some sweets on my desk as well. I also had some sweets over on my art desk as well. And then over here I just have my fan, which you've probably seen in my old room tour video. And then over here I just have this box of homemade squishies. And it just has a tape measure and my camera tripod on it. And then this is my wardrobe. And again, this is what it looked like when we moved in. I really didn't have to change anything big about my room because it was already this colour and this pattern. And these doors do slide across. And obviously it just has clothes, and then on this side it just has more random things, but again it's really messy so I won't show you. But I will kind of show you how the doors work. So this one just slides across like this. And then this one just goes the other way, but this one's a little bit more stiff. And then over here I just have this set of drawers which you've seen in my old room tour video. Again, just with more clothes, nothing interesting. And then up here I just have my lamp and then a few squishies on display. And you've seen these before in my videos. And then I have just a few Harry Potter things on display, for example some of the Quidditch stuff. And I got this recently for my birthday as well. And then also have this light up on the wall, which was also left by the previous owners. It's really bright, but I prefer to use this one instead because this one is just way too bright. And then over here I just have my bed, which hasn't changed at all since my last room tour video. So I just have all of my pillows and, well, cushions here. And then just a few stuffed toys as well. And my pyjamas there. And I'll go round to the side of my bed just really quickly. Oh, and here I also have my Harry Potter rug, which you've seen in a few of my other videos. And then down here, this is where I keep my non-homemade squishies and then most of my homemade squishies. And there's also more on the other side as well. Hopefully I can show you. So this is pretty much most of them, but I also have another huge box of squishies which I keep in my dad's room because it's just way too big to go in here. Hopefully you can see that. Sorry, I can't really go back any further. And I promise I will do a homemade squishy collection very soon. I really want to do it this year. And then over here I have my light, or my light shade, whatever you want to call it. And I think I also showed this in my old room tour video. So this was also in my old room. And I'll quickly turn on the light so you can see what it looks like. And I really like the shadows that it makes. I think it's really pretty. And I also got this from an antique place, but I don't know if this is actually an antique or not. But I just really liked this, so I really wanted this up in my new room. And then over here I just have some more shelves, which again the previous owners left up for me. So you can just see what's on them. I'm not going to go over everything. Again, it's just loads of random stuff and also some more photos as well. And then this shelf is my favourite shelf. It's my Harry Potter / dragon / mythical creature shelf. Because, as some of you may know, I am a big fan of Harry Potter. And, well, I've already shown you the rug down here, and then I just have some more foam here as well. I have way too much foam. So, yeah, that's everything. So, yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And I really hope you like my new room. Oh, and also, by the way, I also have a big window here in front of my craft table. I forgot to mention that. But I'm not going to go like and film directly in front of it because I don't want anyone to think that I'm filming them in case anyone is outside. And I do really like my new room. And it is taking a little bit longer for me to get used to this because, as you can see, my room is a lot smaller compared to my old room because we did have to downsize. But still, I am slowly getting used to this and I'm really happy with how it looks. And again, I'm really happy with how the colour looks already because, like I said, we didn't have to change the wall colour or the design or anything because it was already like this. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!